Hi, good evening. My name is Daniela. I am 21 years old. I am studying modern languages, mentioned tourism. And for this task number 4, I'm going to talk about the Shopaholic and the recreational shopper. Now I'm going to comment based on the video. The first question says, do you consider yourself a shopaholic? Yes, I do consider myself as a shopaholic because if I see something that I like, I feel the need to buy it. A lot of time, I find myself buying stuff that is unnecessary for me and that I don't really need. What do you think of these people? I think that these people don't have any self-control when it comes to purchasing stuff and handling their money. Most of the time, shopaholics do this to fill any empty space that they have on the inside. Shopping is something that makes them feel that void. Any idea to help? Yes, I have some ideas. First, replace shopping with something healthier. And second, make a list of the places you can and cannot go. Eliminate any TV watching, at least in the beginning, and stay from magazines and newspapers. Read the articles. Look for the answer to your questions. Check the facts. Reading 1A-B. Reading comprehension. Check the facts. Read the statements and write true or false. Go back to reading 1 and look for the answer you aren't sure of. First, all people who shop are recreational shoppers. That's false. Recreational shoppers go shopping for fun. True. Recreational shoppers love to own things. False. Most shoppers dislike shopping. False. Psychologists compare ordinary shoppers and recreational shoppers. True. Recreational shoppers go shopping when they are sad. True. Most recreational shoppers are men. False. People spend more time in shopping malls than they do at work. False. Part B. Answer the questions, compare the two groups, and check the correct box. Recreational shoppers are more materialistic and have less self-control. And ordinary shoppers are older and more self-confident. Circle order applied. While they are shopping, recreational shoppers pretend they are different people and are excited. Reading 2. Read the statement and write true or false. Go back to reading 2 and look for the answer you are unsure of. Palm Desert Mall is in California. True. This mall has more than 250 different places to spend money. True. The mall has 43 different buildings. False. It has 12 different movie theaters. False. Some restaurants at the mall are expensive. True. Karen's Kitchen is a cooking store. False. Answer the questions. Where can you find the inexpensive restaurant at the mall? At the food court. What can you do at Palm Desert Mall? Visit restaurants, stores, and entertainment. Analyze. All recreational shoppers like Palm Desert Mall. Why or why not? Yes, because it's a place to spend money. How does the writer of Reading 1 feel about recreational shopping? How do you know? The writer thinks about recreational shopping as an addiction like smoking or drinking. Exercise, reading skills. Identify the author's purpose. What is the author's purpose in each article? What do you think so? Reading one author's purpose to inform readings about something, and the reading two author's purpose to persuade readers to do something. Exercise part 2. Read to find the answer to these questions. Read the next article to find the answer to these questions. According to the writer, are we all consumers? Yes. What kinds of consuming do people do? In movie theaters, at amusement parks, at drive-thrus, at shopping malls, at convenience stores, at the gas pump, or at the desk paying bills. What kind of experience are more important, consuming experience or no consuming experience? Why? No consuming activities, because are active activities and not passive. You may experience yourself, and it's most important because are in your memories. How can we change our lives? We can change our life by not being communists, taking advantage of time without thinking that everything is money. We can share with our family and friends, read and enjoy without being so consumerist. Vocabulary break. Guess meaning from related words. Think all the words in reading 3 related to this verse. Consume. Consuming, consumerist, not consuming. Action, interaction, satisfaction. Create, creator. Package, packaged. Guess meaning from context. How can you use word knowledge to guess the approximate meaning of the underlying verse? In the future, how much time will you use up spending money in movie theaters, at amusement parks? Amusement park is a group of entertainment attraction to ride. At drive-thrus, drive-thrus is a self-service in a car. At shopping malls, at convenience stores, they are small shops that sell everyday products. At the gas pump, gas petrol pump, or at your desk paying bills. Reading skills. Read from main ideas. Write the main ideas next to the core paragraph. Explanation of why consuming activities aren't special. Introduction, we consume most of the time. Call to action, explanation of why not consuming activities are special. Paragraph 1, introduction, we consume most of the time. Paragraph 2, explanation of why consuming activities aren't special. Paragraph 3, explanation of why not consuming activities are special. Paragraph 4, call to action. Page 48, exercise, talk about your ideas. Discuss the answer to these questions. How important is shopping in your life? Are you a recreational shopper? I am a recreational shopper, I consider, and it's very important because everything I need in my house, I should to buy it to get it. Do you think that recreational shopping is bad? Why or why not? Yes, because spending money is not good. It's bad. What would you do with your free time if you couldn't go shopping for a month? Stay in my house, taking advantage of the time. And that's the finish. That's all for this task number 4. And thank you so much.